I'm going to turn around and say go.
Action.
Hi, I'm Emily and welcome to Gear Garage. Here we are at Indian Creek Launch on the middle fork of the Salmon River. We're going to show you how you get your big boats to that river when it's low water and you fly your whole entire trip in. So we have this boat loaded here. We got our cooler and boxes in, and Mr. Super Kev's down at the bottom with some thwarts ready for action. Are you ready to see this or what? Yeah. Okay, team, you guys ready? Woo! Woo! Ready, set, go! Ugh. There we go. Yep, good.
Keep going.
Forward.
We're not. Now it's ready.
Hold on. We ready to send? One more. Okay.
And
Set, go. Oh, that's what it lights. Woo! Woo!
that was the best one yet.
That was the best one yet. And that's how you get your boats into the water. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and comment below and hit subscribe if you want to see more rad videos.